Charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. Chang charak chang chang, charak chang chang, charak chang chang. This is my tree house. It's where I learn and play. I can touch the sky so high and even fly away. Chang charak chang chang.
बड़ों की कल्पना जहाँ थम जाती है, बच्चों की कल्पना वहीं से उड़ान भरती है। इसीलिए हमारे आसान और मजेदार लर्निंग प्रोग्राम्स बच्चों को देते हैं जरूरी नॉलेज और भरपूर कॉन्फिडेंस। द ट्री हाउस, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान।
A very good afternoon to one and all present here. On behalf of Tree House, we welcome you all to the annual concert 2014 of Anand Nagar, Sai Baba Nagar, Yogi Nagar and Station Centers. They are all Borivali and Dahisar centers. So parents, can we have a round of applause for our children before we begin the event? Thank you. Before we start off, as I repeat myself, this year you would see the show more about speech, drama, action, songs, dances, children talking here on the mic. So it's basically an event for the children, by the children, of the children, I should say. So we need you all to appreciate the hard efforts and ensure you keep cheering them at all points. Before we start off, I take this opportunity to welcome our distinguished guest for the day. She is the head of Treehouse Preschools Mumbai Division, Mrs. Shona Jaiswal. Please welcome her on stage, parents. It's a pleasure to have her here today on this important occasion. And to felicitate her with a bouquet, we have little Khushi amongst us as well. And a huge round of applause for her as well, parents. Thank you. I shall now request Mrs. Jaiswal to share a few words before we begin. Thank you.
Good afternoon. A very warm welcome to all. So beautifully taught by Mahatma Gandhi ji. Your beliefs become your thoughts become your words then lead to action, your action forms your habit, and these very habits are your values. And what do you think happens next? Your values are what shape your destiny. Yes, dear parents, values or sanskaras are what we strive to inculcate in all our children. And how do we do this? We do this as a part of a curriculum in ways that imbibe good habits, like planting a tree through the concept of germination, reaching out to an older person through the concept of Grandparents' Day, gratitude through the concept of community helpers. It is overwhelming that a decade has passed by teaching these values to thousands of students. What a journey it has been, each year being unique with its own triumphs and challenges. As a part of this value system, we have launched the biggest preschool under the brand name of Global Champs at Dharavi. This concept will not only create a better society, but will also ensure that children get affordable quality education. Next year, our session begins from 10th April. So we encourage you to come into a classroom in large numbers. Do book early to avoid disappointments. So parents, let us sit back and relax and welcome our children, and we are sure that this celebration will make you smile and leave you with memories which you will cherish forever. अंत में मैं ट्री हाउस का आदर्श वाक्य दोहराना चाहूंगी, नन्हे कदम बड़ी उड़ान। देवियों और सज्जनों, नन्हे कदमों की ये उड़ान मात्र भौतिक ही नहीं, सांस्कृतिक और आध्यात्मिक भी है, जिसकी नींव में भारतीय मूल्यों का सनातन एवं स्वर्णिम परंपरा है। थैंक यू।
All right, parents, so we shall begin. The theme for today is Sanskar, our value system that we would like to inculcate in our children so that they become able and competent citizens that our country would be proud of. So let's begin with a small prayer. Thank you. That was
Welcome to annual concert 2013-14 संस्कार धरोहर हमारे घर की और हमारे कुल की।
yes, धरोहर हमारे घर की, हमारे स्कूल की। Well done.
संस्कार never heard of this word. What is this? All elders keep on honoring this word. Sanskar must be an important thing. Ha ha ha. You mean you don't know? Not much. I thought since you said this word, You must be knowing its meaning. Let us ask our teacher then. Teacher, where are you?
Here comes the teacher. Come on, parents, put your hands together and welcome her.
Madam, we want to know the meaning of sanskar.
Teacher, we want to know the meaning of sanskar.
Then take sanskar of somewhere. Not much. This much I sure you cannot get it anywhere. Are you sure? Yes, promise. My mother told me one day. Let me explain you properly about sanskar. When our elders teach good manners and we behave well, we say they have passed on good sanskars.
All right.
Like Gandhiji, who has taught us to work hard, be honest and fearless for our country. That means he passed on good sanskar to us.
All right. Gandhiji indeed passed on good sanskars to all. So let's welcome them. Thank you. Lovely.
है अब विश्वास। 5 वर्ष धुंधला आकाश, कौन द्वार हम खटकाएं, कौन से वादे दोहराएं। आम आदमी कितना, रघुपति राघव राजा।
हाँ, घर से निकले हैं सुबह, तन मन धन सब है तैयार, खाली हाथ न लौटेंगे, तय करके आए इस बार। अंदर एक सिपाही है जिसने ली अंगड़ाई है, अब तक सोया सोया था, सपनों में ही खोया था। बहुत हो गया है विश्राम, रघुपति राघव राजा
Come on, parents, keep clapping for all of them.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। I wonder, are there bad sanskars also in this world? Come, let me show you.
All right, so let's see if there are bad sanskars in this world. Watch out.
So here we have devils on stage.
All right, so let's see what happens next.
Oh my God, what kind of children are they? Noisy and rowdy. Huh? No manners at all. Now you understood. Manners are shown by children who are nurtured, be honest, and in the environment of sanskars. Now look at them. Look there.
All right, so now let's look there. I'm sure we have little angels coming over here to solve the problems.
Means they want to help others, right?
So those were the bad sanskars and the good sanskars that we just saw in the form of devils and angels.
How nice, how helpful, how good these children are. All because of their good sanskars. How are the children? How get good sanskars? The first thing is that small babies should have the environment where they are happy.
Yes, indeed. The children should have a happy environment. So here they come, parents. Please cheer them with a huge round of applause. Gummy bears. Come on, we need you to cheer. Here they come with their mamas. No, how can you say no? We have to welcome our toddlers. Come on, let's cheer them once again.
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jelly bear.
Here they come again. With their mamas.
don't block the views, please. We need your cooperation. Kindly take your seat. Thank you.
Cutie pie, Deva. Now children get good sanskars first from home, where the parents create a beautiful environment. Beautiful environment? How? When parents behave well, do good things, respect elders, talk politely, children automatically imbibe that and start behaving that way. After home comes the school.
All right, parents, let's clap for these lovely children. After home, yes, indeed, comes school. आइए स्कूल चले हम.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने घर से दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से न रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
The song was composed by Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. For your information, parents. Beautiful song composed by our ex-Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. आइए स्कूल चले हम. All looking cute in their attires. Yes, parents, let's hear it out for all our toddlers. Wonderful.
So we love Treehouse, isn't it?
Yes, indeed. So let's wait and watch what comes up next.
My child, what happened? Why are you in a gloomy mood? My head is full. Head is full. You always have something funny to say.
All right.
So welcome little ones with the Nukkad Wale Nana ji.
All right.
सूरज ढलता जा
All right. ऐसा करते हैं, एक बार और स्कूल चलते हैं कृतिका.
Yes ma'am.
All right, parents, here they come. Treehouse little children, once again to school. While Nukkad Wale Nana ji is getting ready.
सवेरे सवेरे यारों से मिलने बन ठन के निकले सवेरे सवेरे यारों
So we
से
have mamas with their children.
दूर चले रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम
Children looking cute in their treehouse t-shirts.
दरवाजे से दुनिया के राज खुलते हैं कोई आगे चलता है हम पीछे चलते हैं दीवारों पे किस्मत अपनी लिखी जाती है इससे हमको जीने की वजह मिलती जाती है रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम सूरज सा चमके हम स्कूल चले हम रोके से ना रुके हम मर्जी से चले हम बादल सा गरजे हम सावन सा बरसे हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम स्कूल चले हम
All right, so that was indeed marvelous with all the mamas taking their children to school.
My child, what happened? Why are you in a gloomy mood? My head is full. Head is full. You always have something funny to say. Why funny? My mind is full of questions and seek answers. Okay. Let me take you to Nukkad Wale Nana ji.
All right, so let's welcome the Nukkad Wale Nana ji and the children and let's enjoy this one.
This needs
Parents,
a huge
please be
round
seated.
of
Do not come
applause.
forward. Thank you. Keep enjoying.
सूरज ढलता जाए
Yes,
चंदा
audience,
उगता
welcome Nana ji
जाए
on stage.
इधर बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे दिन ये कहाँ को
हम उड़े तो गिर जाए, दही को घोटो निकले माखन, पंछी बन हम उड़े तो गिर जाए,
जंगल में नाचे मोर, बिन घुंघरू के यूं घनघोर, बादल बिजली ताल पे देखो घन घन घन, सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ खो जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन।
डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल,
धम 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 धम,
मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा,
आंखें नम नम नम, डब्बा गोल बाजे ढोल, धम 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 धम, मुरली तेरी गाय कान्हा, आंखें नम नम नम, माखन चोर नंद किशोर, गोकुल गार्डन हाजिर चोर, लीला ये तेरी है जाने हम।
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन ये कहाँ से आए रे, दिन ये कहाँ खो जाए रे, नई नई रातें रोज नए से दिन।
नुक्कड़ वाले नाना जी मुझे रोज बुलाए रे, फिर भी अब आए वो इस दिन। गैया घास चबाए तो दूध कहाँ से आए रे, दूध हमें प्यारा गोबर से गिन।
सूरज ढलता जाए रे, चंदा उगता जाए रे, ढल 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 बीते जाए दिन।
So now wait and watch. We have so many lovely and beautiful items for you audience. Just wait and watch.
Anaji, they are getting ready to join Indian Army. Indian Army, you mean the soldiers who protect the country? Yes, beta. Nanaji, who give them good sanskars, who care for their country? मैं बोलूं? Now I know it. बोलो बेटा. Their sanskars come from their homes as well as school. Good, very good. ये लोग खुद भी खुश रहते हैं और देश को भी खुश रखते हैं.
Come on, parents, you need to clap for this number.
ओए
And cheer
हमड़
them
कुंड
up.
मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हमड़ कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, ओए हमड़ कुंड मस्तों का झुंड, सुनसान रात अब ऐसी रात, रख दिल पे हाथ, हम साथ साथ बोल क्या करेंगे? हवड़ करेंगे, हवड़ करेंगे, हवड़ करेंगे, हवड़ करेंगे, हवड़ करेंगे, हवड़ करेंगे।
अच्छे बच्चे बनो, फिर बड़े होकर अच्छे इंसान बनो, and then you can join Indian Army. From a good child, we have to grow up as a good human. And for that, we have to listen stories from all religion books. Like we have Gita, story of Lord Krishna. And we also have Guru Granth Sahib from Sikh religion. People recite stories in music, and you know what my daddy says? My daddy says morning becomes pure, तो भगवान बहुत खुश हो जाते हैं। हमें बाइबल और कुरान की कहानियों से अच्छे संस्कार मिलते हैं। Do you know our religions, our custom also impart good sanskars? Have you heard of Panchatantra?
All right, so let's have the next performance. Religion definitely plays a role.
So now we have all religious people on stage.
धुंधला जाए जो मंजिलें, एक पल को तू नजर झुका, झुक जाए सर जहां वहीं मिलता है रब का रास्ता। तेरी किस्मत तू बदल दे, रख हिम्मत बस चल दे, तेरे साथी मेरे कदमों के हैं निशान। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, 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 तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा। खुद पे डाल तू नजर, हालातों से हार कर कहाँ चला रे, हाथ की लकीर को मोड़ता मरोड़ता है हौसला रे। तो खुद तेरे ख्वाबों के रंग में तू अपने जहां को भी रंग दे, कि चलता हूँ मैं तेरे संग में। हो शाम भी तो क्या, जब होगा अंधेरा तब पाएगा दर मेरा, उस दर पे फिर होगी तेरी सुबह। तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा, तू ना जाने आस पास है खुदा। नवरनी सा दारनी दा
Panchtantra tales? No? How? You have not thought of Panchtantra tales? No? Your mother never tells you these stories? अपनी मम्मी को बोलो तुम्हें रोज ये कहानियाँ सुनाए. And you must also read these stories yourself. अच्छा, लायन और रैबिट की स्टोरी सुनी है? Yes, सुनी है. क्रो एंड स्नेक की कहानी सुनी है. कौवे और सांप की कहानी सुनी है. बुद्धू, वही तो पंचतंत्र टेल्स हैं. आओ मैं तुम्हें बताऊं पंचतंत्र टेल्स क्यों लिखी गई. एक राजा था.
Here comes the Raja. Let's clap for him.
और एक रानी. उनके 3
Here
बेटे
comes
थे.
our Rani.
राजकुमार. जानते हो वो कुछ काम नहीं करते थे. कुछ पढ़ते भी नहीं थे. वो ट्री हाउस में नहीं पढ़ते थे. नहीं. तब ट्री हाउस कहाँ था? फिर क्या हुआ? एक साधु महाराज ने उनके लिए पंचतंत्र टेल्स बनाई और उन्हें मॉरल वैल्यूज दी. फिर वो अच्छे बच्चे बन गए.
Very good. अच्छे बच्चे बन गए. Lovely. Round of applause. That's the beauty of Panchtantra tales.
झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में मन में जो सोच ले हम. झूले सितारों की नोक नोक हाथों को खींच के हम चाहे तो चांद रख ले टिफिन में मन में जो सोच ले हम. आया है दूर तक देश अपना जाएंगे दूर तक हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है.
ये किसने लिखा दीदी?
कल जिन्होंने ये लिखा वो आज ये जानते हैं.
सूरज अपनी मुट्ठी में है कुल बुला रहा. नया सवेरा रिस रिस के बाहर है आ रहा. कलमों से कहती है मंजिल मुझे उठा लो. वक्त तुम्हारा है किस्मत को गले लगा लो. अभी तो सबको धुन पर अपनी देखो नचाएंगे हम. देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है. बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है. नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है.
दीदी, सब कहते हैं हम आगे जा रहे हैं, मगर क्या हम सब आगे जा रहे हैं या सिर्फ कुछ लोग?
बहुत सही सवाल पूछा आपने।
अगर तुम ही मुस्काओ तो मुस्कान नहीं है, सबको पंख न मिल पाए तो उड़ान नहीं है, बस मेरे आंगन आए ऐसी धूप न चाहिए, बस मेरी छतरी पर गाए ऐसी बारिश ना चाहिए, जिस पर सबके रंग हो वो तस्वीर बनाएंगे हम, देखेगी दुनिया जलवे हमारे यूं जगमगाएंगे हम। बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है। बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है, बीते कल से हमको सीखते जाना है, नए कल की कल कल से पल पल सजाना है।
Our tree house, we have those very interesting cheeky stories. Cheeky stories? Oh, I love cheeky stories. My teacher tells me they are character building stories. Character building? What is that? Character building is to behave in a manner that your parents feel proud of you. Your teachers feel proud of you. Your country feels proud of you. Now I understand it means to become a good child. Yes, cheeky stories are there for all of us to become good children.
All right, so here comes Cheeky. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause. So let's hear about Cheeky stories.
Pretty cheeky, walking down the school, pretty cheeky. She is real cool, pretty cheeky. She's a darling, she's charming too. We all believe you, you speak the truth. Pretty cheeky, she walks with a smile, pretty cheeky. She's so full of life, pretty
Ask
cheeky.
little Cheeky.
She makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky. Cheeky, we're late for the picnic.
Cheeky, where are you? Cheeky, we are getting late for the picnic.
Children, Cheeky cannot come for the picnic as she was watching TV late night. and that's why she could not get up early in the morning. You all go and enjoy yourself. Have a good day.
Oh, she will miss the picnic. Oh no, so sad.
All right then, let's leave her. We're gonna miss you, oh dear. Bye 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 bye.
I'm so sorry. Now onwards, I will sleep on time and wake up on time.
Now that's my girl.
Come on, parents. I think we should clap for this gesture. Cheeky has learned her first lesson. Let's see what else she has to learn.
Pretty Cheeky, she's
Keep
all
clapping.
grown up now. Pretty Cheeky, she's being famous now. Pretty Cheeky, she's a big star, oh little girl. But don't forget, dear, we always there. Pretty Cheeky, she walks with a smile. Pretty Cheeky, she's so full of life. Pretty Cheeky, she makes us happy when skies are gray. You always know, dear, how much we care. Cheeky.
Once more, once more, once more, once more, once more. We want to have more of Cheeky. Okay, okay. Let's have some more Cheeky then.
Cheeky dear, I'm going out, so please take care of your grandma.
Cheeky, can you get me a glass of water?
Oh no! Mama! Mama? Cheeky! I told you to take care of your grandma. But you did not. Look what you have done. That's bad.
I'm sorry, Grandma. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Mama, don't be sad. I will always listen to you.
Now that's my good girl, my sweetheart.
Alright, so Cheeky has learned her second lesson as well. Come on, parents, let's welcome this group of children.
Parents,
Let's get some more fun.
The feeling is right. We all learn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. Now that we believe you, you always speak the truth. Cheeky, you're such full of fun. You keep your promise too. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U. Sometimes the feeling is right. We all learn for the first time. Heartbeat and kisses so sweet. Cheeky is just like a moonlight. I-P-I-U, I-P-I-yeah, I-P-I-U.
You're set full of fun. You keep your promise too. IPIU, yeah. IPIU, IPIU, yeah. IPIU, You're the one, you're the only one who shares and care and have fun. You're the one, you're the only one. You're an artist, you're a cook, you're a star. IPIU, yeah. IPIU, IPIU, yeah. IPIU,
Round of applause, parents, come on!
Did you realize how fortunate are you to be in a good school? We surely are going to have good sanskar. Yes! Let us celebrate. Yay!
Alright, so that's called for some more celebration. Let's celebrate. Jaldi, jaldi. Come on, parents, keep clapping. We are moving on to the grand finale after this. Please be seated and keep enjoying.
Everybody jump now, DJ pump it up now. All my people shout like oh oh.
Come on, audience, keep clapping.
And lose control 'cause it's okay. Let's party like you never did before.
I will open a chain of schools and impart good sanskars to thousands and thousands of children. My good children, I'm so proud of you all. We have no doubts that the sanskars which we have passed on to you will surely make you good human beings and great leaders in future. I congratulate your parents and your school.
अभी अभी
This is the last performance.
हुआ यकीन
Make it finale. With your clap. Louder.
मुझ में कहीं हुई सुबह
Yes, audience.
मैं जल
Louder.
गया
Really, I cannot hear you.
सूरज को
Louder.
मैं निकल गया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी है जो गुमशुदा
All right, parents, let's hear it for all of them. First ever script, drama, and songs for you all not has been easy, but with your cheer and the children's efforts and the entire team efforts, I'm sure we have enjoyed it.
लोहा था पिघल गया
Yes, audience, you can do it with us. From there.
मचल गया
Thank you.
सितार में बदल गया रूबरू रोशनी रूबरू रोशनी है धुआं छटा खुला गगन मेरा नई डगर नया सफर मेरा जो बन सके तू हम सफर मेरा नजर मिला जरा धुआं छटा खुदा गगन